Robert, a 68-year-old retired woodworker from the rugged coast of Maine, had always prided himself on his hands. They were strong, calloused, capable hands that could feel the subtle grain of a piece of maple, hands that could craft a life, build a home, and hold his wife with a gentle strength. But lately, his hands had started to feel like they belonged to someone else. A persistent, deep-seated, almost supernatural cold had settled into his fingers and toes, a chilling dampness that no thick pair of wool socks or fleece-lined gloves could seem to touch. It was more than just a physical discomfort. It was a profound feeling of disconnection, a slow erasure of sensation, a subtle but constant tingling, like a low-voltage electrical current, hummed in his fingertips. A creeping numbness would steal into his feet whenever he sat for more than a few minutes, turning them into foreign objects at the end of his legs. He'd wake up in the morning and have to shake his hands vigorously, a frantic, almost desperate ritual just to feel the familiar prickle of blood returning. His doctor, a well-meaning but rushed man, had a name for it: peripheral artery disease, a clinical detached term for what felt to Robert like a slow, creeping death of his circulation. The diagnosis was delivered with a sympathetic shrug and a prescription for a daily low-dose aspirin. "It happens at this age, Robert," the doctor said, his eyes already on the next patient's chart. "The pipes get a bit clogged. Just try to walk more and keep your feet warm." But for Robert, this wasn't an acceptable answer. It felt like a dismissal, a surrender. The loss of sensation, the constant biting cold, it was a daily, hourly reminder that the vital rivers of life within him were turning into sluggish, congested, icy streams. He felt a profound sense of powerlessness, as if he were a spectator watching his own body slowly shut down from the extremities inward. Driven by a quiet desperation that gnawed at him during the long, silent evenings, Robert started his own investigation. He began digging through old health journals his wife kept from her time as a nurse and scrolling through late-night online forums, reading the stories of countless others who described the exact same chilling sensations. And then, buried deep in a thread on a forum for seniors, he found it. Not a miracle drug or a complex new surgical procedure, but a simple, almost laughably easy daily habit. A small, consistent change that involved no prescription, no expensive equipment, just a trip to the bulk aisle of his local grocery store. It was the simple, intentional act of eating a specific handful of nuts every single day. Deeply skeptical, but willing to try anything to feel warm again, he began. He bought a large bag of raw, unshelled walnuts and made it his daily ritual. What happened over the next few months was not a sudden miracle, but a quiet, steady revolution. The first thing he noticed after about 3 weeks was that the incessant tingling in his fingertips began to subside. It was still there, but the volume had been turned down. Then, one crisp autumn morning, he was outside in his shed, sanding a piece of pine, and he suddenly realized he hadn't even thought to put on his work gloves. His hands were warm, not just not cold, but genuinely, radiantly warm from the inside out. Over the next month, the deep, icy cold in his feet was replaced by a gentle, consistent warmth he hadn't felt in what he now realized was years. At his next checkup, his blood pressure, which had been stubbornly creeping higher, had dropped 10 points. He felt a new surge of clean energy in the afternoons, a mental clarity he hadn't realized he'd lost. He felt connected again, from his core to his fingertips. This video is for every single person who knows that chilling, disconnected feeling. For anyone whose cold hands and feet are a constant, worrying signal of a deeper, more troubling issue with their circulation. For anyone who has been told by a doctor or by society that clogged arteries, high blood pressure, and poor blood flow are just an inevitable, non-negotiable part of getting older. Because today, we are going to dismantle that myth and reveal the profound, scientifically backed truth about how a simple, delicious, and ancient food can help reopen your body's most critical highways. So please, stay with me on this deep dive. You are about to learn which nut is the undisputed king of cardiovascular health, the 3 powerful and distinct biological mechanisms it uses to clean, repair, and relax your blood vessels, and a detailed list of other nutritional powerhouses that can support this vital healing journey. Before we begin, take a moment to tell me in the comments below, what is your favorite nut to snack on? It's always fascinating to see the diverse tastes within our community. And if you believe that nature provides the most elegant and powerful solutions for our health, take a moment to hit that subscribe button. It's the best way to ensure you don't miss out on empowering, life-changing information like this. To truly understand why a simple nut can have such a profound and systemic effect, we must first understand that poor circulation is not a single problem. It's a two-front war being waged against the 60,000-mile network of your blood vessels. On the first front, you have the problem we all know about, atherosclerosis, the buildup of plaque. This is the foundational issue. It's the slow, silent, decades-long process where chronic inflammation damages the delicate inner lining of your arteries. Your body, in its attempt to heal this damage, creates a patch made from a mixture of LDL cholesterol, cellular debris, and eventually calcium. This plaque hardens over time, narrowing the arteries and physically restricting the flow of blood, like a permanent traffic jam on a major highway. But there is a second, more insidious front in this war that often gets overlooked, and it's arguably even more important for the symptoms of cold hands and feet. It's a condition called endothelial dysfunction. The endothelium is the paper-thin, incredibly delicate lining of all your blood vessels, from your giant aorta to your tiniest capillaries. Think of it not just as a passive non-stick coating, but as a smart, active, and brilliant chemical factory. A healthy endothelium is smooth and slick, allowing blood to flow without friction. But its most important job is to produce a miracle molecule we've discussed on this channel before, nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the body's primary natural signal for blood vessels to relax and widen, a process called vasodilation. When your endothelium is healthy and functional, it produces a steady, on-demand supply of nitric oxide, keeping your arteries flexible and exquisitely responsive. They can widen in an instant to deliver more blood when you stand up, climb a flight of stairs, or need to think clearly. But as we age, a lifetime of exposure to high blood pressure, high blood sugar, smoking, and chronic inflammation relentlessly damages this delicate factory. The endothelium becomes stiff, scarred, and inflamed. It loses its functional capacity to produce enough nitric oxide. Your arteries don't get that crucial signal to relax. They become rigid, constricted, unresponsive pipes. This is endothelial dysfunction. This is the core reason Robert's hands were so cold. It wasn't just a single clog in a large artery. His entire vascular system, down to the tiniest vessels in his fingertips, had lost its ability to properly regulate blood flow. So, to truly heal our circulation and bring warmth back to our bodies, we don't just need to address the physical plaque. We need to repair the chemical factory. We need to give the endothelium the specific targeted raw materials it needs to heal itself, quell the inflammation, and start producing that vital nitric oxide again. And this is precisely where our hero nutrient makes its dramatic entrance. The undisputed king of nuts for your heart and arteries, the one that Robert started eating every single day, the one that is backed by an overwhelming body of clinical research, is the walnut. Yes, the humble walnut, which nature so cleverly and poetically shaped to look like a tiny human brain, is also one of the most powerful medicines for your entire circulatory system. Its incredible power comes from a unique and synergistic trifecta of healing compounds that no other nut can match in the same concentration. Let's break down the three distinct ways that walnuts go to work cleaning, protecting, and relaxing your blood vessels. Mechanism number 1, the ultimate anti-inflammatory fire department. Walnuts are, by a huge and significant margin, the richest plant-based source of a specific type of omega-3 fatty acid called alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. The modern American diet is absolutely flooded with pro-inflammatory omega-6 fatty acids, which come from the cheap vegetable oils used in nearly all processed foods. These omega-6s are constantly fueling the low-grade fire of inflammation in our artery walls. ALA is the firefighter. Numerous large-scale, prestigious studies, including the Pretim trial, have shown that a higher intake of ALA is directly linked to a significant reduction in fatal heart attacks and strokes. It works by systemically cooling that chronic simmering inflammation in the endothelium, making it a less sticky and damaged surface where plaque can form and take hold. Mechanism number 2, the raw material for vascular relaxation. This is the absolute game changer, the mechanism that directly addresses endothelial dysfunction. Walnuts are exceptionally rich in an amino acid called L-arginine. L-arginine is the direct chemical precursor, the essential raw building block that your endothelium uses to synthesize nitric oxide. When you eat walnuts, you are essentially delivering a fresh supply of high-grade construction materials directly to that damaged factory. With this abundant raw material, the endothelial cells can begin to repair themselves and ramp up their production of nitric oxide. As nitric oxide levels in the blood rise, the smooth muscles in your artery walls finally get the chemical signal to relax. The vessels widen, blood pressure naturally drops, and blood flow increases dramatically throughout the entire body. This is the direct physiological reason Robert felt the warmth and sensation returning to his hands and feet. The highways were opening up again. Mechanism number 3, the potent antioxidant shield. Finally, walnuts contain a unique and powerful blend of antioxidants, including rare polyphenols like ellagitannins and a specific form of vitamin E called gamma-tocopherol that are not found in the same combination in most other nuts. These compounds act as a vigilant protective shield for the delicate endothelium. They patrol the bloodstream and neutralize the damaging free radicals that are generated by our environment and diet before they can inflict injury on the artery lining. Think of it as putting a powerful, rust-proof coating on the inside of your pipes to prevent them from getting scratched, scarred, and damaged in the first place. So a daily handful of walnuts doesn't just offer one isolated benefit, it launches a coordinated, multi-pronged, intelligent attack on the root causes of poor circulation. It fights the underlying inflammation, it provides the direct fuel for relaxation and widening, and it protects the arteries from future damage. Now, while walnuts are the undeniable star of the show, every great team has a deep and talented supporting cast. To get the full spectrum of cardiovascular benefits, it's wise to rotate in a few other circulatory superstars. Number 2 on our list, almonds, the cholesterol and blood sugar protector. Almonds are packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, but their real secret weapon is their potent combination of vitamin E and a high magnesium content. The vitamin E in almonds is a fat-soluble antioxidant that specifically integrates itself into LDL cholesterol particles. Its job is to protect them from oxidation. We must remember, it's only when LDL becomes oxidized or rusted by free radicals that it becomes truly dangerous and begins to form plaque. Almonds help keep your cholesterol safe and stable. They are also one of the best food sources of magnesium, a mineral that is crucial for relaxing the smooth muscles of the blood vessel walls and is essential for healthy blood pressure regulation. Number 3, pistachios, the endothelial healer and performance enhancer. Pistachios are truly unique. They are also rich in the same L-arginine found in walnuts, helping to boost that critical nitric oxide production. But they also contain a special combination of antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin, which are usually associated with protecting our eyes. Exciting new research has shown these same compounds also help protect the endothelium and improve its flexibility and function. One remarkable study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition demonstrated that adding pistachios to a diet for just 4 weeks significantly improved participants' vascular health and erectile function. In men, a direct indicator of improved blood flow. And a very special mention, Brazil nuts, the selenium source. But this comes with a critical and non-negotiable warning. Brazil nuts are the most concentrated food source of the mineral selenium on the entire planet. Selenium is absolutely essential for creating the body's master antioxidant enzyme, glutathione peroxidase, which is critical for protecting arteries from oxidative damage. However, selenium can be toxic in high doses. You should never eat more than 1 or 2 Brazil nuts per day. Just one single Brazil nut can provide your entire daily requirement. Think of it as a daily mineral supplement that comes in a shell, not a snack to be eaten by the handful. So how should you incorporate these powerful healing foods into your life for maximum and sustained benefit? First, and most importantly, always choose raw and unsalted nuts whenever possible. The high heat of commercial roasting can damage the delicate, beneficial polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fatty acids, turning them from healing to potentially inflammatory. And the excess sodium in most salted nuts can directly work against your blood pressure goals. Second, consider this powerful but simple tip to enhance their benefits. Soak your nuts. Soaking raw nuts like almonds and walnuts in water overnight and then rinsing them makes them significantly easier to digest. This simple process helps to neutralize natural compounds like phytic acid and enzyme inhibitors, which can bind to minerals and prevent their full absorption. Soaking essentially wakes up the nut and unlocks its full nutritional potential. Third, and this is crucial, remember that portion control is key. Nuts are incredibly nutrient-dense, but they are also calorie-dense. A proper medicinal serving size is a small, closed handful, which is about 1/4 of a cup per day. That's all you need to get the profound therapeutic benefits without overdoing it on the calories. And finally, and perhaps most importantly, remember that these nuts work best as a powerful component of a holistic approach. They are not a magic bullet that can undo the damage of a poor lifestyle. Continue the other habits that support a healthy circulation. Stay deeply hydrated with plenty of clean water to keep your blood thin and flowing smoothly. Engage in gentle, consistent movement like daily walking to act as a powerful pump for your entire circulatory system, and work to reduce your intake of the foods that fuel the fire of inflammation: processed foods, refined sugar, and industrial seed oils. Let's return to Robert's story one last time. His journey back to warmth, back to feeling, wasn't about finding a new pill in a bottle. It was about rediscovering a fundamental ancient truth, that nature has provided us with potent healing foods that contain the very building blocks our bodies need to repair and regenerate themselves. A handful of walnuts wasn't just a snack for him. It was a daily dose of targeted medicine. It was an act of taking back control, of providing his body with the precise tools it had been crying out for. You have the power to do the same. The feeling of cold, numb, or tingling extremities is not a life sentence. It is a signal. It's your body's intelligent way of asking for help, of asking for the right nutrients to reopen its vital highways and bring the river of life back to its farthest shores. So today, perhaps you'll look at a simple bowl of raw, unsalted nuts with new, appreciative eyes. You won't see them as just a high-fat snack to be eaten sparingly with guilt. You'll see them for what they truly are: a delicious, concentrated dose of anti-inflammatory oils, artery-relaxing amino acids, and protective antioxidants, a perfect gift from nature designed to bring warmth, sensation, and life back to every part of your body. If this video has provided you with value and a new sense of hope for your health, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up. Your click helps this important message reach more people who may be suffering in silence, unaware of these simple solutions. And please, take a moment to share your own story and insights in the comments. Have you noticed a difference from adding nuts to your diet? Your experience could be the spark of inspiration that encourages someone else to begin their own healing journey. Thank you for your time and your attention today. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. Cherish it, nourish it, and never stop believing in your body's incredible innate capacity to heal. Until next time, be well.